In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my shop in Google Maps. Let's walk through the process together so you can make it easy for customers to discover your shop. First, open Google Maps. You can do this in your web browser or on the mobile app. Give it a moment to load so everything is visible on the screen. Having a stable internet connection will help the setup go smoothly. Next, click the menu. This is usually the icon with three horizontal lines, or it might appear under your profile photo depending on your device. The menu is where Google keeps tools for contributing places and managing business details, so finding it is key to getting started. From the menu, click Add Your Business. This takes you into the flow designed specifically for businesses to appear on the map. You'll see a clean guided form and we'll fill it out step by step. Enter the name of your business exactly as it appears on your storefront, website, and any signage. Consistency helps people recognize your brand and reduces confusion. Avoid adding extra marketing phrases here. Keep it to your real business name so it looks professional and trustworthy. Now, select the type. Choose the option that best reflects what your shop is, based on the choices you see. Pick the one that aligns most closely with how customers think about your business. If you're unsure, choose the most accurate, straightforward option and keep it simple. Enter your website, or skip this if you don't have one. If you do include a site, make sure the URL works, loads quickly, and matches your business name. A working website helps customers confirm your services, hours, and location, and can boost confidence in your listing. Next, enter the category of your business. This is important because it helps Google match your shop with people searching for what you offer. Start typing a word that describes your shop and choose the most precise category from the suggestions. Accuracy here improves your chances of appearing in relevant searches. Finally, enter your business address. Type it exactly as it appears on postal records, including unit or suite numbers if applicable. Double-check spelling and formatting to avoid delivery or navigation issues. Clear, correct address details make it easier for customers to find you without confusion. That's the full process. Take a moment to review everything you entered for accuracy and clarity. When your details are correct and consistent, your shop will be easier to find and customers will trust the information they see. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your shop onto Google Maps.